Hi, this is Tiago and Tyler over there and Braden. And this is our part 3 of Soccer Lightning, as I explained the rules in the first episode. And we'll be starting now. Tyler, you want to go net again?
No, I will stand net.
And this will be our last part of the Lightning too. No, then we do other things. Oh, Tyler, you're net.
Come on, Tyler. You can save this. Here.
How do you do that?
Tyler, roll it like normal.
I hate this.
Ball.
No, I did it on the shooting leg.
You rolled it fast. You did it too fast.
Yeah, but you still kicked it. You could still curve it. But I never won yet.
Okay, that's the end of our series.
This is the end of Lightning. Now we're done, and this is our last video. Bye. Well, not our YouTube career. We'll do other stuff. Last of Lightning. Peace. I don't get it.